All right, this next one, LeBron James was spotted recently, and he was wearing a new pair of headphones, unreleased pair of headphones. He has had an endorsement deal, an ongoing endorsement deal with Beats for a while, as far as I can tell.
And Apple owns Beats.
Thank you, Will.
Yeah.
He's had I think he's been in commercials, but he's also just worn it on the court, worn it during warm-up. So kind of not the place you would expect to see the launch of a new product is pre-game on LeBron James, but it appears that he's wearing the unreleased Beats Studio Buds. First time out in the wild, and they showed up in a set of Instagram photos that he shared. I don't know if it was, if they calculated what they were up to, or had it been planned all along, or I'm pretty sure it was cleared for him to be wearing that on the way in. Anyway, what's interesting about these is they look a lot like AirPods Pro. And since, as you mentioned, Beats is an Apple product, Apple company, Apple owns Beats, I would think you would be sharing some technology across brands. And if that's the case, then this could be the most compelling Beats product in a long time, because for a while there, it seemed as though Apple was kind of treating their stuff. I mean, they had products from Beats, but a lot of it was more specialty, like, oh, it's for sports, or they're not fully wireless or whatever. This looks like a true thing to consider next to, I would assume, I mean, if you could look at like an AirPods Pro, but with some extra durability and maybe a slightly different sound signature, you might have a popular product, especially you look at the color offerings that are likely to show up. Black, white, red. There's actually a little animation there by Steve Moser, and the case even in on his animation and the other images looks a lot like the AirPods case too. So maybe it's gonna make people's decision a little harder when they go for those fully wireless earbuds from Apple at the premium price point. I don't know where these land. Do you think these are going to be more expensive than the AirPods Pro or less expensive than AirPods Pro?
I think it might be a little bit more expensive because it's very tailored, right? It's durable. It's
AirPods Pro are not cheap though.
Like the sporty users. I don't know. I feel like it could be a little bit more.
All right. Well, you put on LeBron James, charge a few dollars. You got to pay for the endorsement deal.
There you go.
Which, actually, I don't think Apple has any problem paying for endorsement deals, Will. I'm going to break it to you right now. People in the comments are saying definitely more expensive. So they're with you in the comments.